Okay, in this demo, I'm going to give an overview of how we use the new healthcare action in OIC to convert an incoming HL7 message into a mappable OIC message format. So I've got my integration here called process ADT A08. That's the integration which receives a HL7 message and then processes that message. If you saw the demo video, you'll know that we took that message, we converted it to FHIR, and we also mapped it to a different version of HL7. So let's go and have a look at that integration in detail. So in this integration, you can see I received the message. So this is the message that I received from my handler integration. And so this message at this point has already been converted from raw HL7 format into OIC message, and it was sent into this integration as a message reference. The very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to call this healthcare action again, just like I did in the first integration. But this time, I'm going to call a different operation. This time, I'm going to call the operation to convert my message reference into a mappable OIC. So you can see here that this time, I'm calling the convert message reference to document operation. And what that does is it takes the message reference that I received from the first healthcare action call, and this is where I can map it using a schema into a detailed message that I've defined in using the OIC document editor. So here you can see I'm saying, take my raw HL7 message, actually it's already converted, take my XML message and convert it into a mappable form of my ADT A08 patient message. Now what that does, I'll explain this flow in just a second, but what that does is it takes that message and it makes that HL7 message into a mappable form in OIC. After that call to convert message, for that call I only had the message reference, which was held here in this stream reference. After my call to convert message, you'll notice I now have my HL7 message here in OIC mappable form. So I can now start mapping in and out of this document to other target forms. So this is my full HL7 message, and you can see here this is my patient demographics, and you can see I would have patient information, etc. in here. Okay, so this is now a completely normal OIC mappable variable which I can map in and out of.